agreement with James Agriole. He's my senior, he's my friend, but where he's wrong, I will tell him you are wrong. You cannot tell us that we cannot dialogue, that we cannot talk with Ruto, we cannot talk as Kenyans. What is the alternative? We cannot play politics of populism. We cannot play politics of theory. We have been playing politics of theory since independence. That is why we have got these things wrong. Where are you taking us? We cannot follow Kalonzo because we don't know where he's going. Personally, as mbadi, I am saying it here affirmatively. I am not persuaded that Kalonzo is taking us anywhere. And I am not persuaded that Uhuru means well for us now. If he wanted to give us leadership, he would have given us leadership. In 2022, some of us today, we would be cabinet ministers. I would not be a nominated member of parliament. You are telling us that now it's when Uhuru has a solution, has the key to take us to State House. When he was at State House, he handed over key to someone else. Now you are teaching us that Uhuru can give us the key to State House. I want to say it because I'm also a senior politician in this republic and this region. I am also a senior politician in Luland. I have authority. I am the chairman of